Dr. Martin Mkandawire, if it may, it would be great to hear a few words from you on your thoughts about Union Collegiate or education in general. Dr. Martin Mkandawire.
Well, as Ben has said, just a few words. I will not take much. First of all, I'd like to thank Ben for the introduction. But I know Hamid is a lawyer. I think very soon I'm going to consult him because Ben said so much. I think that's character assassination. So I'm so humbled to be here and stand here. First of all, when Ben and Hamid approached me, I think it's almost 2 or 3 years ago, the answer which I told them is, let me think about it. After some time looking at the things as we discussed, I saw the merit into it, and I said a few things which I said. First of all, as a person in the education sector in academic, the first and utmost goal is to help and contribute in uplifting people's lives. So if I can do in the small way by supporting what Ben, Hamid and I've forgotten the name of the third. Taha, yeah. I could contribute. That would be really good for me. So that was the first thing. The second thing which I talked to them is, my father believed very much in integrity. And if I have to participate, I need something where to keep us integrity. That means we have to do something transparent and be under the law. Something that will be fair to everybody. And something that will be there to advance the humanity. I know for most people, sometimes we compromise our ethics and our intentions because we want to get rich first before we contribute. And these were the things which we discussed at length with Hamid and Ben, and said, I think if we have to get forward, let's not put money, but put the person first. Because money we can make, we can lose it. If we get a person, one person we uplift is more than the money that we can get and lose. So that is the most important thing, and that's why I felt I can contribute, although it's just in an honorary position. They are doing the real work. I can only advise and contribute some ideas there and there. I thought that would be very important for me to participate. Coming to that, I want to thank them. After all those, I would say this world has about 7.5 billion people. And then they came to ask Martin to do this with them. I find that to be a very big honor. I'm not unique. I'm just like anybody else. And to ask me to be part of that, well, there are so many people who, I would say, they have a lot of credentials than what I have, and still come to me. That was a very big honor. So thanks very much, Ben, Hamid, and for considering and involving me into this. And I pledge where I can do, I'll help to uplift and put forward the interest of the organization. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mkandawire, for those inspiring words, and we are truly honored to have you on board.